Okay, we are going to have a demonstration of the problems with socket protectors. This is a typical socket protector purchased at a UK supermarket. Now, the idea of this instrument is to prevent children placing their fingers into sockets. This tool defeats the primary safety feature in UK sockets, which is the shutter contained within them. Here we have an example of two typical UK sockets. Both purchased at a UK large DIY shop. We'll call this one A, and we'll call this one B. One of these things is they allow the defeation of the shutter which is contained within the sockets. Also, they're often incorrectly dimensioned, they're easy to remove, and can even damage the contacts. We have here an instrument which, if contact was made, it will make a bleeping noise. Like that. I have connected the live pin which is this one. You could also possibly get a shock of this one, but the chance of shock is of the live pin, potential of trouble definitely for the live pin, and connected this piece of wire into round the back, so we can go and stick, or attempt to stick, a nice thin probe in the front. So if I take this socket protector, I've given somebody a tool, this tube socket, to actually do that. Maybe slightly difficult to see, but allows the defeation of the shutters. It causes them to lift. So allow somebody to conveniently go and stick anything they like in there and give themselves a nice, or possibly even fatal, electric shock. Take the plug out, and however much I try, I keep bashing against the shutter. Now, let's just do that again, but with this socket known as B. Yeah, so that thing is working. And let's just demonstrate. This is a much safer designer socket. It cannot merely be defeated in this very simple manner that we had earlier. No matter how much I push, that is not sufficient. So, I will even now go to the extent of taking a plug to pieces and seeing if I can defeat the shutters. So I take the F pin out of the plug and try to shove it in. You may be able to hear a definite click. That is unlocking the clip, which is part of the safety measure of this socket. The other measures are, in order to get in, right, I will try pushing with a single, as hard as I can, with a single pin. Push, 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 push. Nothing. Push, 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 nothing. Right, get that away. Stick that in there. Still nothing. Now, let's try again. This designer socket, we will try pushing like this. We've taken it to bits and we're trying to push independently. You need both pushing at the same time in order to achieve that, which I may suggest is beyond the possibility of a toddler, a baby, or even most adults. You'd really have to have the properly dimensioned earth pin in there to release that clip, which will then allow if you have both the live neutral pin presented, will then try and open. I can then, for the purposes of concluding this demonstration, attempt to do that, and no go. No go. I hope this has been an interesting demonstration and you will not be purchasing the socket protectors and will be considering updating, if you are concerned about children's safety, to socket version B.